In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to take two different photos in BeReal. Now, if you haven't taken any BeReals yet, it firstly takes a picture from your back camera and then switches to your front camera. So that's the only way that you can take two different photos in BeReal. Open up your BeReal and tap on take your video. And as I just said, it's gonna open up your back camera first. You can quickly take a snap. And once you do that, the front camera opens up and it snaps your face or whatever's in the front camera. So you'll only have a couple of seconds to switch to any photo that you want to take. Now you can tap on send and post it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more.